CNC machining. That employs computerized controls and machine tools to remove layers of material from a stock piece. CNC machining process. The basic CNC machining process includes the following stages: designing the CAD model, converting the CAD file to a CNC program, preparing the CNC machine, executing the machining operation. CAD model design. The CNC machining process begins with the creation of a 2D vector or 3D solid part CAD design. Once the CAD design is completed, the designer exports it to a CNC-compatible file format, such as step or ridges. Types of CNC machining operations. This section explores some of the most common mechanical CNC machining operations, including drilling, milling, turning. CNC drilling. Drilling is a machining process which employs multi-point drill bits to produce cylindrical holes in the workpiece. CNC milling. Milling is a machining process which employs rotating multi-point cutting tools to remove material from the workpiece. CNC turning. Turning is a machining process which employs single-point cutting tools to remove material from the rotating workpiece. Characteristics of CNC machining operations. Drilling. Employs rotating multi-point drill bits. Drill bit fed perpendicular or angularly to workpiece produces cylindrical holes in workpiece. Milling. Employs rotating multi-point cutting tools. Workpiece fed in same direction as cutting tool. Rotation removes material from workpiece, produces broader range of shapes. Turning. Employs single-point cutting tools. Rotates workpiece. Cutting tool fed along the surface of the workpiece removes material from the workpiece, produces round or cylindrical parts. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.